If you were leading a marketing team, how could the insights derived from customer feedback on a specific product be leveraged? What marketing approaches would you employ based on this data? Leveraging customer feedback in marketing involves, first, product improvement, enhance products according to customer suggestions, second, personalized marketing, customize marketing messages to fit customer preferences, third, social proof, use positive reviews in marketing to build trust, fourth, content strategy, develop content that answers customer queries and interests, fifth, targeted promotions. Create promotions based on what customers value most. Sixth, community engagement. Build a community based on shared interests from feedback. Seventh, crisis management. Quickly address negative feedback to maintain a positive brand image. This approach uses customer feedback to refine products, personalize marketing, and improve customer relationships, ultimately enhancing brand perception. What are some other sectors where the strategic use of data can elevate business excellence? Using data helps different areas improve and make smart decisions, kind of like using a secret tool in a video game. Here's how. First, healthcare. Doctors use data to pick the best treatments and guess future illnesses. Second, education. Schools analyze data to find better ways to teach. Third, retail. Stores use data to stock up on what people want to buy. Fourth, finance. Banks use data for smart lending and to protect money. Fifth, transportation. Airlines and shippers find faster, cheaper ways to move things. Sixth, entertainment. Streaming services use data to decide what shows or movies to create next. Data helps save time, money, make better choices, and keep customers happy. What are the descriptive and measurable characteristics of an individual item? Attributes are features that describe and measure an item, like its color, size, weight, shape, and age. For example, a backpack's attributes could include being red, large, 2 pounds, and made of nylon.